Hey, how y'all doing? Rashad Gray. It's cold out here. It's about 30 something degrees. But we're doing a day 3 of 75 hard. Uh, I did some errands today. Um, I did the church, a phenomenal word. I'm back out here in the weather and the elements. Sorry, the elements. And today's the last day of my absolute fast. So after this, I'm gonna get my first meal of the week or of the new week. Yeah, we're gonna do a vegetable stir fry. We got and Daniel fasting. I should have did it while I was in the grocery store. Daniel fasting is hard. Like I'm gonna try to tell you now, because of shopping and how it is in America. Like I can't do no sugar at all. So even if it had less than 1 gram, I didn't buy it. So the salsa was less than 1 gram, so I didn't buy it. It's a lot of stuff we eat we shouldn't be eating. A lot of stuff we drinking shouldn't be drinking. I'm gonna stick to water. Might make some smoothies, some smoothies of my own, just juicing everything. But yeah, this is the abs are popping. Y'all, the abs are popping. I might have to upload something on my IG probably next year. I'm still on the IG fast. So if y'all added me on IG, y'all follow me on IG, you know, I'm gonna be back next year. But this year, like I said, I'm focusing on God, building my relationship with God, spending more time with God, building up myself, my mind, my body, my soul, my finances, my spirit, so I could be the greatest husband of all time, so I could be the greatest son of all time, greatest employee, greatest business owner, greatest husband, greatest father that God wants me to be, greatest Christian that I can be. You know, that's what it's all about, God and being a Christian and what He has for you. But yeah, it's just an update about the fast. I encourage y'all, if y'all haven't did the Daniel fast, tune in to Rock City, Transformation. All these churches are doing a great job. You know, I don't want to hear all that about you can't find a good church. If you're in Dallas, you can go to Concord, you can go to Oak Cliff, you can go to the Potter's House. I don't want to hear that. In Alabama, you can go to Rock City, you can go to Livingstone's. If you're in Florida, you can go to Fifth Street Church of God, my hometown church. So many Boca Church of God. So many I can't even name. Alabama probably got hundreds of them in just one city. No lie, y'all haven't been to Alabama, but y'all should visit. You know, what else? LA. I think they have. I haven't been to an LA church, so I can't say, but you know, it's churches everywhere. Go find one, go Google one, give them a try. You know, when I was trying to find a church in Orlando, speaking of Orlando, you got the Kingdom Church, you got NCI Missionary Baptist Church, you got what's that other church? I can't think of right now. Firehouse or Lighthouse, Church of God by UCF. There's just so many good churches. You know, so many good churches. You need to get a church that's gonna make you a better person, not tell you what you want to hear. It's gonna encourage you, it's gonna motivate you, it's gonna condemn you, it's gonna scorn you, it's gonna make you better, it's gonna make you learn. And that's the type of churches I go to. You know, I'm a man, so I can't have people tell me what I want to hear. I'm never gonna grow. I'm never gonna be nothing if everybody's telling me what I want to hear. So that's just some tips on how to find a good church. Some tips on Daniel fasting for people who are doing Daniel fast. You gotta eat just a lot of fruits and vegetables. That's how you play it safe. No meat, no dairy, no processed foods, no junk foods, no fried foods. Most foods you probably ain't even like. But I got a gang of vegetables, and it wasn't even that bad price. Again, y'all gotta shop at the right spots. I recommend, you know, Aldi. Y'all might have Aldi, Save a Lot, Walmart, Farmers Market. I don't know. You just gotta figure it out. Use coupons, BOGOs. If you got a big family, if you got a basketball team, you need to go to Save a Lot or Costco. You know, places like that to stock up. But anyways, that's just something that's on my mind. Trying to find y'all a better church home. Giving y'all tips on y'all Daniel fast. Y'all could do it. 7 days. But for me, like I said, it's 7-day absolute fast. The next 3 weeks, or the next 3 upcoming weeks, I'm going to do a Daniel fast. So technically, this is the last day of my absolute fast, and my first day of my Daniel fast will be, I guess, today too. But anyways, shout out to great, make great decisions so you can have a great life. God bless you and keep you. If you make great decisions and choose on 2026, I promise you it's going to be one of the best years of your life. Just keep focused, keep the faith, and keep doing the work. All right, like, comment, subscribe, turn notifications on. This is day 3 of 75 hard. Shout out to great. I'm out. Let's go.